Hello everyone, I'll show you how to model this cabinet in 3D Max. First, I need to draw a box, and this box will be 250 by 250 by 58. Now I need to have in the width segment 4 door panels and the 5th for the display unit. I need to have here 5 segments. Now I need to add edit poly, and I will start making the sides. First, this is the top panel. I will go to edit geometry and I will detach it, add a shell modifier and make the inner amount 2. Now I will go back to the box and select the side, detach, and also this side, detach, okay, and also the bottom part, detach, and also the back panel I will detach. Now this is the back panel. I'll change only the color over here and give it a shell modifier. The outer amount I want it to be 0.3, like this. Now the sides I will add also a shell modifier, but I will make the inner amount 2. Also this one, shell, the inner amount 2, and this one also a shell modifier, and I will make the amount 2. Here I will add only edit poly, and I will select these polygons over here, and I will make the skirting. I will extrude. I will go to edit polygons, extrude 5, like this. Now I need to go to the left view, and I will select this side polygons because I need to make them like I want to move them to the back 2 cm. I will use here shift and drag back. Check the status bar to see how big is your amount. I'll go now to the front view. Now I will just hide this front panel and also back panel, and I need to check how these sides are fitting, and this one, the vertex should go down 2 cm, -2, like this. Now I will also lower this vertex down -2, and they are resting on the skirting, so I need also to select this vertex and move them upward 2 cm, like this. Also this one upward 2 cm. This is the front panel. I need to delete this polygon over here. Now I will start making these shells. First, I will make a copy of this side. I will place one here at the edge. I will go to hierarchy panel, affect pivot only, center to object. So this is located the pivot point at the center of the object. I will close it, and now I will go to the front view and drag a copy using shift over here. Now I will move it a little bit to the back. Here I will first change color so you can see it better. Now I will connect these edges with 5 segments. I need them 5 shelves. Now this is the easiest way. I will chamfer each 2 cm for the shelf, 0 segment, and then I will select these polygons over here, and then I will extrude. It's supposed to be around 50 cm. Okay. Now I'll go to the front view and double check these vertex. I need to move them inward 2 cm, like this. Now I can add here a chamfer modifier with amount 0.2 and smooth the chamfers only. Like this. I think it is an easy way to make the shelves as one unit with the partition. Now I will start making the divisions over here. I will go to the front view, and I need to isolate this polygon over here. Now I need to make one cut over here, this diagonal cut over here. So first I need to select these edges, and I will make one connect. And to make the work easier, I will select these polygons over here and delete them. So I will make a symmetry later on, and I will work only on one side. Here I need to select this edge over here, and I need to rotate it. But first, I will not rotate it like this, the old style. I need to go to edit geometry and check here constrain the edge. So even if I make here some internal rotation, the edges are remain as they are. Now I need to double check the angle snap, right click, change the angle to 60. Okay, according to the design, it's up to you, but I think 60 will look good, and I will move it upward. Now I need to go back to constrain none. Now I will make first this groove between the two panels. So now I will select this edge over here, chamfer, make the amount 0.3, select open chamfer. So the open chamfer will make a real gap between the two panels. Now I just need to select this polygon over here, and now I will extrude 2 cm. Like this. Now I need to select this edge over here and this one, and I will also select this one and this one, and I will add here connect. I want these fluted panels to have 2 cm. So I need to have here a 10 segments like this, and then I will need to chamfer a little bit between the panels, like 0.3 will be good. Now I will go to the polygon mode, and I will select these polygons. Now I will extrude 1.8. Now I will go to the front view Now I will add symmetry. Click on x-axis, move the mirror line all the way up to here. So now the only remaining thing is the handle, and I will add also one material so you can see it better. Here I prepared one material for the wood, and also I will start with the handles. I will create now a line. First I need to go to keyboard entry, add 1 at 0, 0, 0 at point. Where you can see the cursor is your 0, 0. Now the second point will be 0, 60, because I want it to be like 60, and add point. So this is my line. Now here I want to add only a sweep modifier. I have here in the built-in section angle option. So I'll just need now to fix the size of this handle. It is 4, width 2, thickness 0.15, corner radius 0, nothing fancy here. If you want, I can make it like 0.5 and 0.5, it will be nicer. Now I will go to the top view, and I need just to place it here near the door panel. I will rotate. Now I will need to add a symmetry modifier, and I will use the x-axis, change the mirror line all the way to the middle of the cabinet, like this. Now I will check the front view. Now I will add here one material, which is the golden material, and I'll go to the top view, make another copy over here using shift. So this is my cabinet.